Oops. Fail. First try fail. Second try fail. Third try fail. No. First you need to start with 0. Then you just start spinning it.
2 and 1, you can measure.
Show me how to measure lah.
Okay.
How long is my finger?
You ask a question and you just spin it, and then afterwards you'll just give you an answer.
So will you have more homework? Or maybe.
No lah, fishing rod lah. No? Not a fishing rod?
Oops, that's too hard. That's too hard. That's too hard. That's too hard.
Once 1 round is up for this, it would be 50 centimeters. So if this completes 2 rounds, it will be 1 meter. Then you just keep on adding, and you can add up to infinity.
I started one day asking myself, what is the best I can do for my kids? So I have 2 sons, Ryan and Jake, 7 and 10. And I think every parent asks themselves that question. And the answer that came to my mind was to give them a best education that I can ever give them. I wanted the education for my kids to be meaningful, to be purposeful, and something that really prepares them for their future. The school curriculum gives the child knowledge. Through making the child experiences the application of the knowledge and practices his psychomotor skills in creating these objects. Now finally, we have these skills and we have this knowledge. We designed a problem-solving challenge in our solve classes so that they can put all these knowledge and skills together to overcome a real challenge.
Make is pretty interesting because for me, I'm a person that likes science and math. So it's a place whereby they really put math theories, science theories into practical practice so that children wouldn't find it just lesson and lessons could be so boring for them. This is really putting their hands and things that they learn into practice, into practical models and practical experiments that they do.
Initially, I thought it was just some playing and experimental program that this MAKE is trying to offer, but after understanding from the coaches, especially Chiwi, he told me about how they actually use this program to inculcate values like resilience, like teamwork and all those things, and it got me interested to send my kids here for the trial class.
I like the philosophy of the teachers in the school and the founders. So I like it that they make learning part of something that it should be every day.
She definitely seems very excited whenever the time comes for her to attend MAKE class. And whenever I ask her about, so what have you done today? What did you make? Can you explain to me what this does? Do you understand the science behind it? How does it work? So she can. And I can really see that she is interested in coming for the class and really learning.
Eva is very enthusiastic about introducing MAKE to her friends. So she has brought pamphlets from Chiwi home to school to distribute pamphlets in school. I have shared it with my group of friends as well, where the kids are about the same age, because I think learning should be something where you learn without you noticing that you're learning. That is something I really truly appreciate, which not many places I think offers this kind of experience for children.
In summary, MAKE assures a child's today but prepares him for tomorrow.